Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the error. Gaming features aren't yet available for Windows Desktop or File Explorer. This message often pops up when you try to use the Xbox Game Bar to record or capture content from your desktop or File Explorer. It happens because Game Bar is designed to work with games and supported apps, not system-level Windows by default. However, there are a few ways to work around this limitation. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable Game Bar in Settings. Click the search icon on the taskbar, type Settings, and open the app. On the left menu, select Gaming. On the right panel, click Game Bar or Xbox Game Bar depending on your version. Make sure the option Allow Controller to Open Game Bar is turned on. Step 2. Check Group Policy Settings. Open Search, type Edit Group Policy, and launch it. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Game Recording and Broadcasting. Click the item on the right named Enables or Disables Windows Game Recording and Broadcasting. Set it to Not Configured or Enabled, then click Apply and OK. Step 3. Repair or reset the Xbox app. Open Settings. Again, choose Apps. Click Installed Apps. Search for Xbox in the search bar. Click the three-dot menu next to Xbox, then select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section. Click Repair to fix without affecting app data. If still not working, click Reset to remove all app data preferences and sign-in details included. After finishing, close all windows and restart your PC. After completing the steps above, the game features error message should no longer appear. Thank you for following this quick tutorial. Best of luck, and see you in the next guide.